For as long as humans have looked up at the night sky, we've wondered, are we alone? Now imagine, just for a moment, that we get an answer, and it's not just a signal from a distant star system, but actual contact with intelligent extraterrestrial life. What happens next? How would humanity react? In this video, we're diving into 5 potential scenarios that could unfold if aliens made contact with Earth.
Let's face it, one of the first things we'd want to know is, what kind of tech do they have? The prospect of advanced alien technology is both exhilarating and, let's be honest, a little intimidating. Imagine if they shared their knowledge with us. Diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries could vanish overnight. Energy crises? Solved. We might even crack the code of interstellar travel, opening up the galaxy to exploration. But hold on. What if their technology is so advanced that it seems like magic to us? Could we even comprehend it, let alone integrate it into our society? Think about the implications for artificial intelligence. What if their AI is so sophisticated that it makes our most advanced algorithms look like children's toys? And what about weapons? It's enough to make you wonder, is a sudden tech boom a gift or a curse? It's a double-edged sword, that's for sure. On one hand, the possibilities are limitless. On the other, we might find ourselves struggling to keep up, to understand the very tools we've been handed. One thing's for sure though, contact with an advanced alien civilization would spark a technological revolution, unlike anything humanity has ever seen.
Our species has built entire belief systems around the idea that we're alone in the universe, or that we hold a special place of privilege. Contact with an alien species would challenge those deeply held beliefs, and not everyone would take it well. Imagine the theological debates, the philosophical wrestling matches that would erupt. Would existing religions try to incorporate this new knowledge, or would they double down on their existing doctrines? Would new religions spring up, worshipping these celestial visitors? Would some see them as gods, while others view them as a threat to established order? Our art, our music, our literature, all would be forever changed as we grapple with the reality of not being alone in the universe. This wouldn't be just a shift in our understanding of the universe, it would be a seismic shift in our understanding of ourselves. Our place in the cosmos, our purpose, our very identity, all would be up for reevaluation. It would be a time of great upheaval, but also a time of immense opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Who knows, we might even learn a thing or two about ourselves from our cosmic neighbors.
Chapter 3. One World Divided. History has shown us that humanity comes together in the face of a common enemy. But what if the other isn't an enemy at all? What if they come in peace? Would we unite and present a united front to the cosmos? Or would old prejudices rise, fracturing our world further? Imagine nations vying for favor, hoping to secure an advantage. The political maneuvering, the power struggles, the potential for conflict. On the other hand, imagine the potential for cooperation. Scientists collaborating on groundbreaking research, sharing data like never before. The pursuit of knowledge transcending national borders, uniting us. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? Contact with an alien civilization could unite humanity. But let's not be naive. It could also exacerbate existing tensions, leading to further division. The truth is, we just don't know. How we react to such an event is anyone's guess. The way we choose to face this challenge will define us as a species.
Chapter 4. The Galactic Economy. Hold on to your hats, folks, because first contact is going to send shockwaves through the global economy. Imagine the stock market doing the interstellar jitterbug. Suddenly, everything we thought we knew about value, about scarcity, about trade, gets flipped on its head. What happens when alien technology makes our current industries obsolete? Will we see the rise of entirely new economic sectors based on alien resources or technologies we can barely comprehend? What happens to the value of gold when we discover an asteroid field full of it orbiting a nearby star, thanks to our new alien friends? Talk about inflation. But hey, maybe those alien trinkets they bring as gifts will become the new Bitcoin. But it's not just about the money, is it? It's about the jobs, the livelihoods of millions of people around the world. How do we prepare for an economic landscape that's constantly shifting, evolving at a pace we can barely keep up with? It's a daunting prospect, but also an exciting one. Imagine the opportunities for innovation, for entrepreneurship, for creating entirely new industries and economic models. It's like the Wild West out there, but on a galactic scale. Are we ready to saddle up and ride the wave of cosmic capitalism? One thing's for sure, we better be prepared to adapt, because the economic landscape is about to get a whole lot more interesting.
Chapter 5. The Cosmic Ethic. Here's where things get really interesting, folks. Contact with an alien civilization would force us to confront some fundamental questions about our place in the universe. Do we have the right to reach out to them, to make our presence known? Or should we adopt a more cautious approach, observing from a distance? What are the ethical implications of interacting with a species that may have completely different values and beliefs than our own? What if their understanding of concepts like sentience, intelligence, or even life itself is radically different from ours? Imagine the scientific breakthroughs waiting to be discovered. Imagine unlocking the secrets of the universe, understanding the fundamental laws of nature in ways we never thought possible. But with great knowledge comes great responsibility. Do we have the right to study them, to experiment on them, even if it's for the benefit of both our species? These are questions that science fiction has grappled with for decades, but now we're facing them in the real world. And there are no easy answers. It will require a level of critical thinking, of empathy, of wisdom that we, as a species, have not always demonstrated. But if we can rise to the challenge, if we can navigate these ethical minefields with care and compassion, then we might just prove ourselves worthy of a place at the cosmic table.
So there you have it, 5 potential scenarios that could unfold if we made contact with extraterrestrial life, from technological revolutions to cultural upheavals, from economic disruptions to ethical dilemmas. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. It's a lot to wrap your head around, I know, but one thing's for sure. Contact with an alien civilization wouldn't just change the world, it would change everything. What do you think? How do you think humanity would react to such a momentous discovery? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.